Some of the province's claims around their confidence that it would work, I'm not sure what the evidentiary basis for that was.
Please get vaccinated now. And if you do, we will now pay you $100.
Alberta offering another incentive for the unvaccinated last week, and it looked positive at first. The day after, Premier Jason Kenney offered $100 to everyone getting their first COVID shot. Appointments were up 22%. And through the first 3 days, vaccine uptakes were up 20% week over week. Kenney pointed to U.S. states like Colorado when announcing that initiative. That state, too, saw an initial increase. But
what the early data that's coming out of those jurisdictions is showing us is that it's not particularly helpful or durable in terms of the response.
We are launching the Open for Summer vaccine lottery.
Alberta also followed the leads of states like Ohio, offering up million-dollar lottery prizes. But the week after that jackpot was announced, June 12th, vaccination rates tumbled 19%.
It may actually cause the anti-vaxxers to dig their heels in more and to point to this as evidence about the concerns of vaccines.
Some experts question the effectiveness of cash incentives. Health experts say vaccine passports are prompting more Canadians to change their minds.
The number of people booking in to get their first dose shot up right after the passport was announced.
BC, Quebec, and Ontario all saw appointments double the day they each unveiled their vaccine passport plans.
The fewer things that people who are unvaccinated are able to access, of course, the more incentive one has to go and get vaccinated.
Provinces spent most of the summer using carrots to boost vaccination rates until they were forced to use the stick.
Really trying to move away from the heavy hand and move into more of a targeted approach. But unfortunately, the Delta variant is just so transmissible that it's had to upend, some of our thinking around that.
But vaccine passports shouldn't be the single cure-all.
The government can't rely on one strategy to do that. It really has to be multifaceted because different people are going to respond to different messaging or different incentives.
Experts say no government would do the same for essential services, and they insist, despite concerns this could be the new normal, it's merely a temporary fix for an unprecedented problem.
Masks, vaccine passports, vaccine mandates, there are tools to help us get to a safer place. It's not anyone's intent that this be the way that we do things forever.
Scott Frolick, City News, Edmonton.